So to start things off, how do you register a church in Poimnion? To register a church, you go to poimnion.com. That's poimnion.com. That's the homepage. That's where we are right now, on the homepage. And at the top in the nav bar here, you see Get Started. You could click Get Started, and that is your registration form for a new church. You could also, from the home page, click Start Free Trial. And by clicking Start Free Trial, you are taken to this registration form as well. Also, if you're on the pricing page, any one of these tiers that you select, they link to the Start Free Trial button, and that also take you to the Create Your New Church page. So now that I am on the Create Your Church page, it says, I'm just going to go through the form. It says start your free 30-day trial, no credit card required. Then it says your 30-day trial unlocks every feature. No matter which plan you pick, the trial is the entire platform. Your plan only selects what you keep after 30 days. So when you were on the pricing page and you select one of these plans, the purpose for selecting one of these plans is because, the system will then determine what you get to keep after 30 days. Of course, you could change after the 30 days, you could change to any plan. But even on the pricing page, it says it right here. Every plan unlocks every feature free for 30 days. Okay. And it is in this little pop-up box here at the bottom left-hand corner. And you could just click that start free trial button as well. And it takes you to this check-in form. So I'm going to now go ahead. The first box here says church information, and you have church name. So I'm going to just create a church name. So I'm going to call this Elisha Community Church. Okay. Elisha Community Church. And there you have a church URL, Elisha-Community Church --. So next you have what state is this church in. We're going to put New Jersey. Then you're going to have admin account. So the admin account is going to be like the account owner. So the person who registers for the church or signs up the church on Poimnion, they're going to be like the account owner. So I'm just going to put my name here. I'm going to put my email. It's going to be, which one should I use? Probably maybe I should use you could use whatever email you want to use there. Then you create a password. I'm just going to create a password here. Right, and you have this little hide unhide feature as well, that you could always view the password that you have created. Okay, you could select whatever plan you want here, or whether it's a growth plan, the flock, the shepherd, or the seedling, the seedling plan. It says every plan starts with a 30-day free trial that unlocks every feature. So keep that in mind. And again, no credit card is required. Your plan choice only sets what you keep after the trial. Right? Next we have send me product updates, tips, and news from Poimnion. You can unsubscribe anytime, and I'm going to check that. And then I understand that this is a 30-day free trial with full access to every feature. No credit card is required. After the trial, I can subscribe on the Seedling plan to keep going. I agree to the terms of service. And you could always click into the terms of service to see what the terms of service really is, or what it is about. But by signing up on the platform, you are agreeing to the terms of service, because the terms of service is what keeps us legit, and so to speak. So you have to be mindful of the terms of service and also read the terms of service. Okay. After reading the terms of service, if you agree with everything there, then you click create church and start trial. And there you go. It's as easy as that. I was just reading through everything, but believe it or not, I could have signed up in probably less than 2 minutes if I was just going through without stopping to read and everything. It takes you less than 2 minutes to sign up your church. So this is the Poimnion dashboard. A world awaits you. One of the most powerful systems, I believe, on the market. And I really love it. And it's really built for the body of Christ. So there you go. Now let's have some fun.